Ever wonder how a self-made millionaire thinks? Buckle up and get ready to learn the secrets of Max Lewis, the propane king of Florida. Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a book by a self-made millionaire named Max Lewis, titled Who is Max Lewis? This isn't your typical biography, though. It's an autobiography disguised as a self-help guide, where Max shares the secrets behind his phenomenal rise from selling mangoes as a kid to becoming the king of the Florida propane exchange business. We'll be sharing some insights and breaking down key takeaways into actionable lessons. So buckle up and get ready to learn how Max Lewis went from zero to multimillionaire, all within 37 chapters. Part 1. From Mangoes to Millions, The Power of Hustle. Lesson 1. Belief is the fuel. Max emphasizes the unwavering belief in his vision as the cornerstone of his success. He wasn't afraid to dream big and chase seemingly outlandish goals. This lesson reminds us that believing in ourselves is the first step towards achieving anything. Lesson 2. Embrace the grind. Max didn't inherit his fortune. He built it through relentless hard work and hustle. From mastering the art of the sale as a young entrepreneur to putting in the long hours to build his propane empire, his journey is a testament to the power of consistent effort. Lesson 3. Learn from every mango or mistake. Max highlights the importance of learning from failures. He views setbacks as stepping stones, not roadblocks. This growth mindset allowed him to adapt, overcome challenges, and refine his strategies. Part 2. Propane Power, Building an Empire. One tank at a time. Lesson 4. Find your niche. Max identified a gap in the market, the need for a convenient and affordable propane exchange service. By focusing on a specific niche, he carved out a space for himself and built a loyal customer base. Lesson 5. Obsess over customer service. Happy customers become repeat customers. Max prioritized excellent customer service, ensuring a smooth and satisfying experience for every interaction. Lesson number 6. Build a winning team. Max acknowledges that he couldn't have done it alone. He surrounded himself with talented and dedicated employees, fostering a collaborative work environment that fueled his company's growth. Part 3. From Propane King to You. Lessons applicable to everyone. Lesson 7. There's gold in every hustle. Max argues that valuable lessons can be learned from any job, no matter how seemingly mundane. Every experience equips you with transferable skills and builds your entrepreneurial spirit. Lesson 8. Patience is propane-powered persistence. Success rarely happens overnight. Max's story is a testament to the power of patience and persistence. He stuck to his vision, weathered storms, and kept pushing forward until he achieved his goals. Lesson 9. Give back. Don't just take. Max emphasizes the importance of giving back to the community. Sharing your success with others creates a ripple effect of positivity. Part 4. Beyond the Tank. Unveiling the man behind the millions. Lesson 10. Money isn't everything. While financial security is important, Max reminds us that true fulfillment comes from living a life filled with purpose, passion, and connection. Don't get so caught up in the chase that you forget to enjoy the journey. Lesson 11. Find your balance. Max acknowledges the importance of maintaining a healthy work-life balance. He prioritizes spending time with family and friends, reminding us that chasing success shouldn't come at the expense of our well-being. Lesson 12. Live a life you're proud of. Max's story is an inspiration to chase your dreams and build a life you're proud of. It's a reminder that with hard work, dedication, and the right mindset, anyone can achieve extraordinary things. So there you have it. These are just a few of the valuable lessons you can glean from Max Lewis's Who is Max Lewis? If you're looking for a dose of entrepreneurial inspiration and practical strategies for success, this book is definitely worth checking out. As always, if you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about building wealth or success stories of self-made millionaires, leave a comment below and let me know. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this, and I'll see you in the next video.